Welcome to Onourshelf. Let's see what Bartholomew has for us today. Looks like we have the HTC One M8 Gold Edition. Okay, so here we have the HTC One M8 Gold Edition. Here's the box that it comes in. Let me grab my knife and let's open it. So we're going to place the cut here and we're going to rip the plastic off of it. Now that we got the plastic off, we're going to place the cut here, turn it around, and here. Now that we're done using the knife, let's flip it over and take the top off. On top we have the HTC One M8 Amber Gold phone. Let's set it aside for now. Now let's set this tray aside. Right here we have some black and red earphones with mic controls and some extra sets of earbuds. A black micro USB charging cable. A wall charger. Some barcodes. A SIM card removal tool. A get started guide. A contact guide. A safety and regulatory guide, a warranty statement, and 2 green HTC stickers. And now we have the main attraction, the HTC One M8 Amber Gold. Let's get it out of the plastic. Here it is in its unibody design. I think it's very stunning. However, this particular gold may not be for everybody. Particular color gold, I should say. So that's been an unboxing of the HTC One M8 Amber Gold Edition. Come back soon for a full review. Take care and thanks for watching.